Right, so here's a recording of your new work for today. It's the triangles, property of triangles. So I'm going to do property 1 and property 2 with you. And then you're going to do exercise 1 in your books. I'll give you the exercise now. So the first property that you need to know for triangles is angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So there's property 1, and then the angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So the reason always is that reason there. So let's have a look at this. So what I'm basically saying is that in any triangle, so it's in any triangle, the angles in the triangle will always add up to 180 degrees in any triangle. Okay, so that's the property. You have to know it off by heart. So if I look at this first question over here, I have got 75, 75 and 35. So I'm going to now show you this one and work it out over here for you. So let's do this. Okay, so now I have to remember, you always have to have a reason, guys. Yesterday's live lesson, I told you about that. We did the reasons, and Keegan was giving me a whole bunch of reasons all the time. The rest of you were still like puzzling what reasons. So I copy that. I'm just because you can go and you don't have to write the full. The full reason is angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. That's the abbreviation. You draw a triangle and make it equal 180 degrees. So that's my reason. Okay, remember you get a mark for the reason. Then I'm gonna go to the next line, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say x plus, that's 110, I think it is, equals 180 degrees. All right, then I'm gonna take the 110 over, so x equals 180 minus 110, and so my answer is x equals 70 degrees. Okay, right, and then we'll do another one. So let's take this one over here. Let's do this one as well. So then you'll go again. So here's so it's 65 plus 32 and minus 180, because all of them must add up to 180 degrees. So let's go again. So it'll say x. Oh no, it's w. Sorry, w. Plus 65 plus 32 equals 180 degrees. Kirsten, why don't you pass me a calculator underneath the boys' swing? He took it outside. Equals 180, and then the reason, Control V, close brackets. There's my reason. So angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. And then let's do 65 plus 32, and then take it from 180, and that's 83. So I'm going to do the whole working out. I took the 65 and the 32, added together, and then I minused it from 180. Okay. So, but you're my grade 8, so let me show you. W plus, what's that, 65 and 65 plus 32. It's 97. 97 equals 180. The next line, you take the delta with a 90. Ooh, what happened there? Sorry. The next line, W, take the 97 over and then subtract. I'm not doing the subtracting, eh? You know I must subtract, and I take it over by now. It's 83 degrees. All right, that's your property. That's your first property. Angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees. The second property, let me cut and paste this thing down the bottom here. Cut. Let's paste it down here. Okay, the second property is the exterior angle of a triangle. So the exterior angle, so this is the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of these two. Okay, so the exterior angle is equal to the sum of these two. So look here, here's another exterior angle over here. It's equal to these two added together. As simple as that. The exterior angle is this 43 and the 73 together. This one, this y over here, is equal, C2 is equal to 35 plus 75. That's how straightforward it is. So you will just go and write this down. You'd say y is equal to, well, that's capital Y. Y is equal to 75 plus 35. 35. I think it's 110, eh? Oh, we must put my reason. And your reason is this reason over here. Exterior angle of a triangle. Copy. Put a bracket. Control V. and then at the end, oh, shift. Okay, it's not giving me the, sorry, it's not giving me the brackets. Let's try that. No, so it's not giving me the brackets, so you must, undo. So you must put a bracket there, right? My computer won't let me put the bracket. And then for X, same thing. So let me just put my pen here. So yeah, was this one. Yes, this one over here. Alright, let's work it out. X equals 73 plus 43. 73 plus 43. Which equals, what's 73? 73 plus 43. 116. Okay, so all you need to know, ladies and gentlemen, is property 2, the exterior angle, is always equal to the sum of the opposite to interior. It's also opposite to interior. You'll see it on the page. Let me give you the page number. My grade 8 textbook is not here. Geometry book. Oh, I don't know where much. Oh, this is my geometry book here. The page number is page 25. Let me write it in here. Page 25. Page 25. Okay, and then you guys will go and do exercise 1. Exercise 1. Oh, wait, put it below that. Page 25. 25 is where you'll find your properties, but you guys can just use these properties that I've showed you here. Okay, you can just write these property 2, but you probably have to write in words property 2. Okay, write property 2 in words. You'll see them on page 25 in gray. They're in gray. Okay, so page 25, and then you must do for me exercise 1, page 26 to 27, and it's A to L. A to L. Right, grade 8. Okay, so property 1, I'm going to just circle them with purple. Here's your property 1. All the angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. All the angles within the triangle equal to 180 degrees. And property 2, the exterior angle, which is that one, is equal to the sum. So I'm going to put a plus sign here. The sum of the opposite to interior. The sum, meaning we add those two together. Okay. Thank you, grade 8s. God bless.